The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is ₹8. And for the subsequent distance means the distance covered after 1 kilometer. Children, there is a term called meter down payment. First, let us understand this before I read the question further. Meter down payment or fixed charge. You can say anything, right? Meter down payment is the minimum payment that you have to make. It is the minimum payment that you have to pay no matter whether you are covering the entire 1 kilometer or you just want to go for half a kilometer. But that is the minimum amount you will have to pay. And in this particular question, we are given ₹8 as the minimum charge for 1 kilometer. Suppose I want to travel just 400 meters, only 400 meters. Still, I will have to pay how much? ₹8. Suppose Gungun wants to travel entire 1 kilometer. She will also be paying ₹8. Okay. So that is the minimum charge we need to pay for the first kilometer. Okay. And subsequent distance afterwards means after that, suppose you are covering 1 more kilometer. For that next kilometer, you just need to pay ₹5. For the next kilometer, you just need to pay ₹5. That is what is given in the question. Taking the distance covered as X kilometer and total fare is ₹5. We are given distance X kilometer and total fare is represented by ₹1. Find a linear equation for this information and also draw its graph. Children, let me just give you a few examples first before I continue. Suppose you are traveling 2 kilometers. Suppose you are traveling just 2 kilometers in all. You need to divide your 2 kilometer as 1 kilometer plus 1 kilometer. Because this first 1 kilometer, for this first 1 kilometer, the amount paid is how much, children? How much are you paying for 1 kilometer?
₹8.
₹8. Plus, for the next 1 kilometer, how much you will be paying?
5.
So total will be
13.
Getting my point? Are you getting my point? Now suppose you are traveling total 10 kilometers. How will you divide this 10 kilometer? How will you divide? Break up?
10 plus 9
Yes. 1 kilometer plus 9 kilometer. Because for 1 kilometer, we have to pay how much?
8.
For the next 9 kilometer, for 1 kilometer, so for 9 kilometer,
5.
9 into ₹5.
45.
1 kilometer is 5. So for 9 kilometers, 45. Are you getting my point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question arises for X kilometer. How will we divide this X kilometer? Should it be 1 kilometer plus what? That is the question.
5.
Plus what?
Y.
10 into 9. 2 tha to 1. X to what?
Y kilometer.
Should it be X minus 1? Suppose X is 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Suppose X is 2. Then 2 minus 1, 1. If it is 5, then 5 minus 1, 4. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point, children? Suppose this X is 15 kilometer. How will you divide it? 1 kilometer plus 15 minus 1, 14?
14.
Right, beta? So I do not know what is the value of this X. So x kilometer will be divided as 1 kilometer plus x minus 1 kilometer. Okay? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for 1 kilometer we are paying 8. And for these many kilometers, it should be multiplied by what?
5. Why?
Like 5 into 9 kiya tha? So 5 into x minus 1. 5 into x minus 1. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is this? Is this the total fare we are paying?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the total fare, and total fare is represented by?
Why? Why?
So according to question, do we have 8 plus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to y?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us simplify it. Let us open the bracket. 5 into x is 5x. And 5 into minus y.
Minus
5 is equal to 8 minus 5.
3.
3.
3.
3 plus 5x is equal to y. I can always write it as y is equal to 5x plus 3. So this is the required equation we need. This is the required equation for the particular question. Beta, please pause. So children, according to question, we are getting the equation as y is equal 5x plus 3. So let us give different values to x and calculate y accordingly. I would take x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, what should be y?
3.
If x is 1, x1, then y.
8.
If x minus 1, so y would be 5 into minus 1 plus 3 minus 5 plus 3, which is minus 2. Yes. So now we have got the values and we just need to plot its graph. We just need to plot the graph. Let's do that. The question is asking us to plot the graph. X, Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And then we have the points like x0, 3, x0, y3, x minus 1, y minus 2, x1, y8. So we have to extend this. Five, 6, 7, 8. So x1, y8 will be here, children. This has to be a straight line. And this represents the question graphically. Okay. So this is my y is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, beta. So that is how the question has to be done.